Hello guys, welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today I want to show you how to get free 9 months of subscription in application Notion.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
You ask me, what is Notion? Notion is a program who help you be more productive, make some kind of GDT, to-do list, some database. This application give you a lot of tools who will let you be more productive. We can go on page notion.com and you can download this product, or you can use my referral link what I put in description. So what tools have this Notion application? This application give you opportunity to make a to-do list like you see on this screen. So you can simply prepare to-do list. It's the same like application to-do list, but it's inside this application. You can write, for example, article in Notion. Here will be part of your article, and below you put some to-do list. Or you can make separate to-do list. You can prepare knowledge base. So like you see, here's many, and here you can prepare page what call it is theme and subpage. For example, this is role or hires and subpage what was created. New hire or workforce grow. All of this subpage are creating automatically if you put your link. Next, you can creating task and issue is a view of Kanban. You can prepare database. Interesting is database because if you create one database, you can switch in view. For example, here you see table, but you can always, here is button, change this for example, Kanban, for calendar. So you can prepare some dedicated filters. So for example, you can prepare two table and for one table set filter for last contact from today to next day, and second table with filter last contact below today date. So you can call it is, for example, archive. And this filter, of course, you can switch to calendar and see this rows what you have database in calendar. Like I saw before, here's information about how it looks to do this. So this creating notes and docs, like you see today, to-do list, like I speak before, you can put some link, and this link is embedded. You can put some image. Second is knowledge base, like you see, this is article and tree of articles, so you can put in your content. Next, you can use it like task and projects. So like you see, this is Kanban view, and you can prepare some design for it to using for your task. You can use it like spreadsheets, database. So like you see, here's calendar view, and this is table. You can put your information and switching between account. Okay, we spoke little about how it's working, and I think when I make more testing of this application, I make some tutorials in my channel. So far, I'm very happy from using this application because I can remove a couple of application what I use it to manage everything. So I can put here some my articles, some YouTube video planner for preparing movies for you, for to-do list, for GTD, for collecting my information about my budget, for my travels, for plan for travels. So a lot of information I can storage in one place. When I testing everything, I preparing for this channel. some tutorials, my tips, how be more productive using this program. Okay, I a little too much spoke about how it's working. We need back to main topic. And before we start this main topic, I want to show you how much this program costs. So, like you see, uh, this program is for free, but is limited for 1,000 blocks. And if you want to build a little bigger database, you can use personal. You can use personal subscription. It's only $4 per month if you pay annually, or it's $5 if you pay monthly. So if you plan grow with this application, I recommend pay annually. You little save money when you select this plan, and you have now unlimited blocks, and you can upload your files, and of course you have a version history. For began, I think this plan is enough for first year. But you can get 9 months of using this Notion application in a personal subscription for free. Okay, so let's go to my desktop application, what I have installed on my computer. And like you see, this is my dashboard, but this is not important at the moment. And if you want to get 9 free months of this application, you need to go to settings and earn credit. And here is page with information how to get free credit to pay for your subscription. Like you see, at the moment I have $18 in credit, and this is for 3 months of free Notion. I can push button upgrade for free. And how I get this $18? It's very simple. You need to make a couple of tasks what describe this company. For example, for $5, log in on your web application to the Notion. Next $5, log in on the desktop app. Very simple. Download your application Notion and log in and get $5. If you use Evernote for your notes, you can import data for Notion and you get another $5. If you doesn't use Evernote, you can always download Evernote, create some notes, connect, import, earn $5, remove another note from your remove Evernote account. Use the web clipper. Is application built in Chrome browser, and you can using this you can use this application to clip or fast saving web pages what you using at the moment. For example, use searching internet some interesting article. For example, you're searching some knowledge about Notion, and you find at my web page, and you want to fast save this web page to not lose them. So you click in application in Chrome to save this web page, and this application save this in a database, assign it to your account. And like you see in my case, here is my links, and my links I have I added some links from this application. You can use this or not. You can install this extension, save you some example web page, remove this from your Chrome browser. That's all. And last part is use iOS or Android system share menu. So you can go to your application, starting some sharing with somebody, Notion or some article what you prepared, and you get additional money. So when you supplemented this task, you get the $26. So this give you 6.5 month of using of this Notion program. But if you create but if you're creating a Notion account from my referral link, what I put in description, you get additional $10 credit for start. I get $5 for your registration, but you get $10. So $10 and $26 in credit, of course, from this task. You have $36, and if you calculate, this give you 9 months of using for free this Notion application. What benefit you have? Nice program who increase your productivity, where you can storage notes, database, projects, to-do list, GDT, and second is you can get this subscription for free for 9 months if you make this task.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.